Hi guys! Testing natin yung binidyo ko kahapon na Bluetooth speaker. Concert Bluetooth speaker guys. Testing natin kung maganda ba to kantahan. Ito siya guys. Ayan o. Oh. Ito, nakakabit na yung microphone natin. Ngayon, si-sound check natin guys kung okay ba yung tunog niya. Ayan guys ha, ito yung mic volume. Tapos ito naman yung kabila, ayan yung echo volume guys. Ayun no. Oh. Hey, check. Ayun guys. Narinig niyo yung guys? Ayun, yung Bluetooth speaker natin. Ayan oh. Wow, ang lupit oh. Ayan oh. Diba guys, ayan yung binidyo natin kahapon. Ngayon, testing na natin yung ano niya, yung microphone niya guys. Ayan oh, ang lakas. Astig. Ito guys oh. Sound check. Oh, nawala.
Sound check. Hey check. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Oh, kita nyo yun guys. Oh, ayan yung gamit nating microphone oh. Astig guys oh. Bluetooth speaker lang yan.
Hey check. 1, 2.
Oh.
Mic 1, 2. Alright, eto, kakantahan na natin to guys.
Ayan, astig na Bluetooth speaker. Oh yeah.
Hey check. 1, 2, 1, 2.
At tabingi, yun. Ayan guys, magbu-bluetooth tayo ngayon. Siyempre, nagagamit tayo na pang isa pang cellphone. Ito guys, naka-pairing na to. On na natin ha. On na natin tong isang cellphone. Yun. Ayan guys, naka-bluetooth na siya. Ayan o. May mga video na ako nung paano i-bluetooth yan guys. Siyempre, magpe-pairing kayo. May video na rin yan sa mga iba kong video. Panoorin nyo na lang guys sa mga mga iba ko pang upload dati. Ayan, naka-bluetooth na guys oh. Ayun o. Subukan natin kung maganda kantahan guys. Oh. Alright.
Hey check. Ayun o. Sumama down to my soul, that's my lead.
Alright.
You're the one that I can't wait to see. With you here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. I am all alone without you.
Astig guys oh. Ayun, naka-bluetooth lang tayo. Ayan oh. Ayan, Bluetooth speaker natin guys. Bluetooth speaker lang gamit natin.
The moving and I can see. Alright. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world.
Alright, nawawala.
Inside, your love is like a river that flows down to my vein. I feel the chill inside. Ayun o. Astig guys o. Bluetooth speaker. Concert Bluetooth speaker. Every time I hear music play, reminds me of the things that we've been through. Mine, I can't believe it's true, but in my heart the reality is you. Ayun o. I am all alone without you. My days are dark without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see. Alright, your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the one inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. Ayun guys, ayun, di ba? Astig tong Bluetooth speaker na to. Ayan o. Oh. Akala mo video okay. Bluetooth speaker lang yan guys. Oh, hey check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Diba? Lakas. Ayun guys. And guys, hanggang dito lang muna yung video natin sa araw na to.